what I think is the easiest to use product and the #1 product that I recommend for you if you're a school or a government agency or a house of worship and you want to get involved in live streaming. And that's the SlingStudio. That's this hub right here. The SlingStudio is a $9.99 device that creates its own Wi-Fi network that allows you to bring in cameras or phones directly into it as your source. So phones could be your source, a camera could be a source. You can also bring in laptops into it. It's a very cool product that starts at $9.99 and it's super easy to use. You install the Sling software on your iPad or MacBook and it runs the show. The Sling Hub does the hard work. Then you bring your devices in. Now, if you're going to bring a camera in, you're going to need something called the Camera Link. The Camera Link is a device that basically has HDMI input and it converts that into the RF network that the Sling Hub sees and it allows you to bring a camera in. Now, the Sling Hub has one HDMI input, but for the things that I'm describing here, you're probably going to want to use that input from a laptop for, let's say, your presentation, and then you can come in through the Camera Link with your video. Now, the Sling Hub does a ton of really cool stuff beyond that. Sling lets you do lower thirds like we do here, bring in videos, graphics, all kinds of great stuff. It's a great product to go, but for $9.99, it's a complete streaming production solution for you to get started with. So it's the first thing on our page for that reason. Next, I want to go in. The Sling comes with some bundles. If we can bring this full space, thank you. You have the starter bundle, which is the hub, the battery, the Camera Link, the backpack, the expander. It's $17.45, really cool. They have more. They have a pro bundle and a dual action bundle, but I really wanted to concentrate on that Sling starter bundle because this show's about getting started. But the beauty of that bundle is it can be in a backpack. So if you were a school, you could be using that for distance learning. You can use that to bring an orchestra, you know, doing a video beyond when we're past the days when we can actually have concerts and live events. You use it for that. You can use it for your board meetings. You could use it for a couple of teachers who wanted to show a science lab or something to their students. It could travel anywhere in the school that you needed it to go.